Welcome to the future of automotive parts manufacturing, where precision meets innovation at the Hartland Township injection molding facility. Located in Hartland Township, Michigan, this 36,000 square foot facility is dedicated to serving the dynamic Detroit automotive markets. With 17 advanced injection molding machines and fully equipped materials handling and logistics support, this is at the forefront of manufacturing excellence. The 5,200 square foot office area features a welcoming reception, 9 private executive offices, a spacious conference room, a testing lab, and an employee lunchroom, providing a perfect blend of functionality and comfort. In an industry where precision and efficiency are paramount, the challenge lies in maintaining high-quality production standards while meeting tight deadlines and evolving customer demand. The goal is to go beyond production excellence. Strategically located with high visibility from US 23, we aim to leverage this prime location to attract business opportunities and showcase our state-of-the-art facility. Another key challenge is ensuring smooth site access by promoting a clear separation between office and shipping receiving traffic. This design minimizes disruptions and enhances operational efficiencies. Above all, the building owner's commitment to providing a safe working environment for both visitors as well as employees is a high priority. Our focus on wellness ensures that all occupants enjoy a secure, healthy, and productive atmosphere. From ergonomic workspaces to comprehensive safety protocols, every aspect of the facility is designed with the well-being of the team in mind. At Hartland Township Injection Molding, innovative solutions are implemented to address the challenges and optimize operations. With strategic orientation and positioning, the building signage is highly visible from US 23 and surrounding surface streets, maximizing exposure and attracting business opportunity. To ensure smooth and safe traffic flow, we designed a shared property entrance that separates passenger car traffic from shipping trucks at the earliest opportunity. This minimizes disruptions and enhances safety for all visitors and employees. Prioritizing the health and wellness of the occupants, investments were made in quality landscaping and outdoor spaces where employees can relax and recharge. The lunchroom doubles as a storm shelter, providing a safe space during severe weather, while also serving as a comfortable place for breaks and meals. Our commitment to wellness extends to the building material selections. We prioritize healthy, sustainable options that contribute to a safer, more comfortable work environment. We also leverage multi-purpose design elements to enhance functionality and aesthetics. The stormwater detention pond not only manages runoff, but also integrates seamlessly with the landscaping, creating a visually pleasing and environmentally friendly feature. Inside, the on-site testing lab allows for rigorous QA/QC, ensuring that products meet the highest quality standards. The spacious offices and conference room facilitate seamless collaboration and innovation, driving success. One of the most impactful achievements is the implementation of just-in-time inventory management. By reducing inventory levels from 4 million down to 2.3 million, they were able to set new benchmarks in the industry for efficiency. This success story is a testament to excellence and innovation. From the state-of-the-art production floor to the collaborative office spaces, Hartland Township Injection Molding is more than just a manufacturing facility, it's a hub of innovation and excellence. Are you ready to take your project to the next level? Connect with us today to explore how we can work together to bring your vision to life. Thank you for joining us on this fabulous project tour. We're eager to work with you to create your next project together. As always, we hope that you enjoyed this video. Help us continue to make great and compelling content by liking, subscribing, and sharing with your colleagues. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when new content arrives. Learn more about this incredible facility by visiting the project section of our website. A link is provided in the description below. Share your reactions to this project and describe your own ideas and challenges in the comments.